to take down this tree because it is January 15th today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we still have our Christmas decorations up. Today we are going to take it down. It's just been so busy for me. I've been fulfilling orders with my business and I also have a baby, so that explains why I haven't been posting lately. I'm so excited for our winter refresh plans. It's going to be so amazing. And let me not forget, Happy New Year to everyone out there. I hope you guys had a beautiful entry into the new year because this year is going to be amazing. Like, I'm gonna tell you guys all my plans in this video and we just need to get this started, and I'm so excited to share this year with you. Okay, first things first, we're pulling out the bins. Now, because it's the beginning of the year, we are really working on saving money after all those Christmas splurges. So if you ever bought a festive popcorn tin from the store, make sure you save it, because instead of buying a ton of plastic bins, which gets really costly, y'all, I'm just using these tins just to store my general ornaments in, and it really does help save money. I know you guys see my little helper. She's truly a Velcro baby right now, and if I put her down for 2 seconds, she is ready to be picked right back up. So throughout the video, you'll see her in and out the carrier, but I honestly love spoiling her. She's brought so much joy into my life, more than I could ever imagine. And you'll probably hear her throughout my voiceovers as well, because she's right here next to me. But even with the helper, we still have a lot of trees to tackle, and of course it wouldn't be a real cleanup without at least one casualty. Rest in peace to that red beautiful ornament. Okay, I'll admit it, this year I'm been a cliche new year, new me girly, but honestly, I'm really aiming for a better version of myself, and that starts with a changed mindset. So I'm calling this year the year of views, and I'm working on a whole new perspective, and I'm focusing on my health, strengthening my family, scaling my business, and ultimately the reason why you're all here, continuing the DIYs. And if you've been following me up for a while now, you know the journey isn't over. We are 80% done with our first floor, which means we have a few more rooms to go. So in the next video, which will be our full winter refresh, I'm going to show you guys a snippet of our next room, which we'll be tackling and planning very, very soon. You definitely don't want to miss that video, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I also wanted to show you guys my view. Living in Chicago, the winter is no joke. We are still very much in the thick of the snow and cold. So seeing my Arbor Vitae tree like this really inspired me. Instead of fighting the winter, I decided to lean into it. I'm going for a pine, snowy winter vibe for this refresh to match what's happening outside. But for right now, let's focus on our winter refresh plans. I put together a mood board to show you exactly how I'm bringing that pine and snow feeling right into our home. I've been dreaming up a space that feels calm and cozy, and this mood board is exactly where my head is at. I'm calling it my pine and snowy refresh. We're leaning heavily into these deep forest and sage greens to bring that outdoor Arbor Vitae look inside. And to balance that, I'm adding lots of creamy, chunky textures like the knit pillows you see, just to keep things warm while it's really freezing outside. It's all about those subtle winter details like the pine tree, the embroidery, and organic wood elements that really create a space that feels fresh for the new year but still honors the season we're in. The very cold season we're in. It is freezing in Chicago. So again, make sure you guys check out next week's video because you will see all of this come together. I'm tackling this tree like I'm tackling my goals this year, and I've been thinking about my theme, the year of views. And that really means 3 things to me. So first is about the literal view, like that snowy Chicago landscape that inspired my pine and snowy refresh. It's about appreciating the beauty right outside my window, even when it's freezing. And then the second thing is about views, like what I'm sharing with you guys. Like, we are 80% done with this first floor. And as I move through these spaces today, I'm realizing how each view in this house has changed just since we started this whole DIY journey. And every room is a reminder of a goal met or a project finished or just a goal. And third, it's my internal view, like my cliche of new year, new me girly. And that just means I'm changing how I view myself, whether I'm scaling my business or carrying my Velcro baby while I'm working, or just my view and focus on growth and joy now. And it's not always a perfect view, but sometimes it's just like a broken ornament or a mess on the floor, but it's a real one. And I'm just so happy for this journey that I'm on. And I think it's going to be just up from here. Now, I know I told you there were 3 parts to my year of views: the literal view, the house view, and my internal view, but I actually have a bonus view for you. The fourth view is your view. I want to know how you see this channel and like what you want to experience here in 2026. This community is a huge part of my little family, and I want to make sure the content I'm rolling out is exactly what you're looking for, whether it's more DIYs, more hacks like the pop quarantine, or just more voiceovers where I just break everything down and all the whys behind my design choices. So, as your bonus view task, drop a comment and let me know what you'd like to see more of. I'm going to read every single comment, so don't be afraid to tell me exactly what you'd like to see this year. Also, my husband gifted me new mics for Christmas. Let me know what you think about the sound quality. Is it better than my other voiceovers? Because I really think that the quality is so much better. Because I was originally recording from my phone, but I have like these fancy little mics now that I can just clip on my shirt. And I think it's giving off high quality. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm really liking this talk now. Let's add some extra bonus views in there. So for the fifth view, I want to talk about your goals. We already talked about the DIY projects you want to see, but I'm curious about your personal views, something that you'd like to share publicly. Are you setting new boundaries this year, or maybe finally starting a business that you've been dreaming of? Or maybe you getting on your fitness journey? Let me know down in the comments. I really want to hear you guys' goals for this year.
Listen, baby, I ain't never met no one like you. 'Cause I've been around, but you're fab is something new. Come on, baby, give me, that's the truth. Let me tell you what I'm trying to do with you. Like, ooh, baby, take my hand, let me ride away with you. Away with you. Take a chance, I can make your dreams come true. Your dreams come true. Let me ride away, ride away, ride away, ride away. Let me ride away with you. Oh, yeah. Say you want the moon, I'll take it down. Give you every star in this crown. Even the little things where I won't miss a thing, 'cause you deserve it all, girl. We gonna make it our way. So you when you're with me, like ooh, baby, take my hand, let me ride away with you, away with you.
And as we are nearing the end of this cleanup, I want to talk about one more thing, and that's channel views. Now, this might sound like a numbers thing, but for me, it's about connection. Your views matter. And every time you watch a video until the very end, or even if you like a video or comment on a video, it truly motivates me to keep going. My goal is to eventually get sponsorships so I can fund even bigger projects for this house. So, if you enjoyed the view today, from the Chicago snow to the winter refresh plans, it would mean the world to me if you subscribe. It helps us grow this little DIY family and keeps the momentum going. So make sure you watch the full refresh video coming up next to see those pine and snowy plans in action. And from this view, it's looking pretty good, and the best is yet to come. And as always, it was a pleasure talking with you guys. And wherever you are, stay warm, stay cozy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.